You really want to make a splash on the dessert table? Crispy tart shell, almond vanilla custard, glazed fruit, shine like the North Star. Can we help too?
You sure can. We need some fresh berries for this tart.
Oh, goody! Yay!
Great!
Berries? I smell a berrylicious adventure. You can use me ship too. My crew will take care of you.
Cool! Have fun!
Cool!
They're gonna have so much fun.
To 3/4 cup butter, add 3/4 cup sugar and cream them until they're nice and fluffy, about 5 minutes. Then add 1/3 cup of almond flour and 1 egg yolk. Don't throw away that white because I'm going to show you what to do with it in a little bit. Sift in 1 3/4 cup flour. Sifting helps you not overmix. No one wants that rubbery tart shell. Hey guys, I heard you're making our fruit tart. Aquaman would love it. Word travels fast around here. I think Octavia's grocery store has blueberries on sale. The store is in an octopus's garden in the shade. Here it is! Found them! And the zest of a large lemon. Careful not to go all the way down to the white part because that's bitter. Blech. And you can make lemonade out of the rest of the lemon. 2 tablespoons of sugar did it for us. That's Willifrida, my flavor fairy friend. She likes steampunk. Mold your dough into a disc, wrap in plastic, and let it chill for 3 hours or even overnight. Sleep tight. I wonder how Jessie and Coconut are making out on their adventure.
They're probably having lots of fun too.
Yeah, they always do. Whoa, I'm on a thorny situation here. I gotcha. Look how hard and cold your dough is. It's supposed to be like that. Let it sit on the counter for 15 minutes and it'll get easier to roll out.
Whoa! Got it! Got it! 3? All right! We got enough! What am I gonna do with those guys? This is great.
We got them. We flew them. We blew them. We do them. We boo them. We. Okay, Rena. We're awesome. We're possum. We saw some. Slip it into your dish and let it fall right on in. Don't force it in because you can stretch or tear it. Kind of scoot it into the corners. And press it into the flutes along the edges. We use the rolling pin to cut it off around the edges. It leaves just enough on top so you can let it hang over a tad. This helps it keep it from shrinking in the oven. This be our little trick. You be sure to keep it between us, okay? You hear? And poke holes in the bottom, a fork will do. You can also make tartlets with this crust. We took the scraps and made some for you to see. Crumple up a piece of parchment paper, spill your beans, and bake for 15 minutes. Take out the beans and bake for 3 minutes longer. And yes, crap. And look what happened. Our paper busted, and there's beans all over the place. Did this ever happen to you? I finally figured out what this is for. Now on to this almond custard filling. To 1 cup of sugar, add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a way to add cornstarch without it lumping all up on you later. Then 5 yolks, but don't throw away those whites. Freeze them for later. We've got the video on how to do that right here. Whisk this all together. It's a little hard to whisk, so we added in a little bit of the milk before we heated it up to boiling. Drizzle that in, that super hot milk, and stir it constantly on medium heat until it thickens. Yeah, whisk thickens, right? This part is boring. Nothing happens for like the first 10 to 15 minutes. Then, wham! It begins to thicken really fast, and boom! It's done. We like to pass our custards through a fine mesh sieve and makes them silkier and catches any scrambled eggs we might have made. Stir in 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Now, we need to cool it down to room temperature. You can put it in a bowl of ice water and just give it a stir every once in a while so its skin doesn't form. Uh-oh, I'm in a raspberry ruckus. You're always getting into trouble. We got all the berries we need. Let's head back. Time to top our pastry with these beautiful berries. I see me crew got you back just in time. Strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, blackberries, and raspberries on top. Our tart looks fabulous. What's the plural of kiwi? Is it kiwi or kiwis? And we like to waterproof our shell before putting the custard in it with apricot glaze. We use this to make our berries shine and sparkle. Boil 1 cup of apricot jam and 4 tablespoons of water. Push it through a fine mesh sieve. It'll get gooey when it cools down, so just nuke it for a few seconds in the microwave to get it to liquid again.
I'm glad you guys made it back safely. We missed you.
Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell too.